19-year-old me that I'd be building a BMW E46 drift car in my garage, I wouldn't have believed it. This is nuts. What am I doing? What the fuck? What? This is crazy. There's a motor on a stand in the garage. The motors are the car again, because I forgot that stupid thing. And make sure that doesn't go bad. So I gotta put that on, and then put it in the car. Slave, I can bleed that. I love cars. Here we go. There's a new dust cover. Ooh, dust cover. Oh! I hate cars. I love cars. I'm bipolar. God, no, I can't. Oh, finally. You ready for this? Oh! Right now I'm in the process of swapping the entire wiring harness from an MS45.1 to MS43. I didn't realize I had the wrong harness. Shout out to Adam Dixon at 80 Parts, because that guy has been saved this entire build. We got matching wheels, tons of tires in the background, new fuel pump, tons of new lines under the hood. It's insane. Okay, so the camera stopped recording, but I literally fell on the ground and just laid there for a second. It smells like burnt gas in here, and it's so... Dude, I'm building this car since October. Oh my God. I can't believe it starts, dude. Okay, watch. Fuel pump. Seat pan thing that holds the purple one. A purple. What's your favorite color? Mine is purple. Purple. Anyways, I'm making a bracket for my bucket seat to mount on. That way I can fit it into the car, because it doesn't fit right now. That's kind of how it's supposed to look, something like that. I wish I would have made it just a little bit longer to fill in that gap, but it's not really gonna matter. That should be okay. We're gonna do the fuel filter tomorrow, because I need some fuel hose, fuel line, whatever. Yeah, we're driving this weekend. We're freaking driving this weekend. It's happening.
Oh, see, I don't even know how to get in.
Just sit on the ground. Do it again.
I don't want to break your car. You work so hard on it.
Negative connection or positive. Oh, it just shut off. Oh man, I forgot. Positive isn't connected, bro. I was looking to try and figure out where this was coming from, and then I noticed.
Can you give us a chance to ask a question, sir? Go ahead. Sir, can you state?
I just pulled the exhaust and drive shaft in under 40 minutes, maybe even 30, which is pretty impressive for me, I think. Reason why, the engine and transmission has to come out. Because, a few things. The rear main seal is leaking, maybe. Something's leaking oil into the bell housing, and it's probably that because it's an eBay one and it did not go on easy. So we're gonna replace that with a new one. It comes in tomorrow, so I'm gonna pick it up, put it in. But I want to get everything disconnected today. I remember the other reason. My motor mount going into the block decided to, either the screw pulled out or backed itself off and the engine mount's all cockeyed. I don't know yet. I'm pulling the motor and then I'll find out what's wrong with it. I bought a tap kit just in case, so that way I can tap a, what's it called, a helicoil in and put the screw back in if it's still in good condition. If not, I'll get new hardware. Actually, I'll probably get new hardware anyways. I got the fucking thing together and I had it running down the road and it was leaking a little bit of oil. I'm like, okay, I don't want oil all over my brand new clutch and flywheel, so that all has to come out. Cars. All right, we got the motor out of the car, motor on the crane, then we got the motor mount on the subframe, then we got them shiny exhaust pipe on the motor. Motor looking good. We got the engine mount all fixed up. Shit looking good, looking clean. No, my fault, my feet wonky. When I got this car, this door came with it, and I thought it didn't have a door latch in it. So I went to the scrapyard and pretty much destroyed a door trying to take this out. This is the door latch mechanism for the driver's side door. And then today, 6.5, 7 months into this project, I look inside my door because I'm like, hey, I should probably put that latch in that I got from the scrapyard. And the freaking door latch was in there the whole time. So now I don't need to try and figure that out. And, oh, it works. Halfway through the session, just as things were getting good and the car was running great, my Chinesium shifter broke. So took it home and welded it back up, but car is ready to go for the next event.